Hello, our Kitty Can Draw friends. Hold on to your icing. Let's draw a gingerbread man skiing straight into some snowy fun. Let's start drawing. First, draw a half circle for the head. Then draw a curved line connecting the bottom. Draw a letter C on the left side, then its mirror image on the other, and connect them together at the bottom with a curved line. To finish the scarf, draw a diagonal line coming up from the right side and another one right under it, then connect them together at the end. For the eye, draw a curve and half an oval shape on top. Then draw half a circle inside and color it, leaving white spot to show light reflection. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Draw an oval shape in the middle for the nose. Then draw a curve under it for the mouth, with a small curve on each side. For the folded arm, draw a horizontal line coming out from the scarf, then a vertical line going down, and another horizontal line that's slightly tilted downwards. Draw a half circle at the end of the arm for the folded hand. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other arm. Draw a diagonal line coming down from each side for the sides of the body. Then draw a U shape for the left leg. And another U shape for the right leg, connecting them together in the middle. Draw 3 circles on the chest for the buttons. For the ski, draw 2 lines coming down from the leg, with the one in the middle being a little longer. Then draw a letter C connecting both lines together. Repeat the same steps on the other side, making the mirror image of the letter C instead. For the ski pose, draw half a rectangle on the top of the left arm, then extend 2 vertical lines coming down from the bottom of the left arm and connect them together at the bottom. Draw an oval shape around the bottom of the pole, then draw another half rectangle at the bottom. Repeat the same steps on the other side to make the other pole. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's add the icing. Draw a wavy line on the head, over the eyes. And another wavy line right under it. Draw 2 wavy lines to decorate each arm. Draw a couple of wavy lines on each leg. Decorate the buttons with a circle around each. Decorate the scarf with tiny circles. Whee! Gingerbread skiing is fun. Now you can draw a gingerbread man skiing. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.